On today's episode is another masterpiece of our 5-day importation challenge. Today is day 4. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place order on this platform. This is something we've been waiting for. You found a product, you found a supplier. So what is the next thing? What do we do with all this? The next thing is to place order. So today, let's learn how to place order, how to make order, how to buy, how to purchase, how to communicate with your supplier on this platform. Here is the Alibaba application. For you to place order, remember we've searched for a product earlier. We've added it to our favorites to come back and meet it when we are ready to buy. Now, let's say we are ready to place order for this, for one of these products. You go to my Alibaba down here. Then you see features. Under features, you can see favorites. By now, you should know how to locate your favorites on this platform. Can you see these are the products in my favorites? I have so many products here because I do most of my sourcing on this platform. I do source for tech, gadgets, phones. Can you see that? Okay, so that's not the topic for today. I'm going to pick a product here right now. As an example, we want to place order for this product. Now, you can see two icons here, chat now in white background, and you can see send inquiry in red background. You can use either of these two to make your order. Let me tell you the functions of these two buttons. For send inquiry, when you tap on send inquiry, that means that you've known everything about the product, you are sure of it, you don't need anything more, you've seen reviews, you've seen specifications, it doesn't have a lot of specifications, you don't need anything more about the product. And just send inquiry direct, then you put your message here. Hello, I'm interested in this product. I need two pieces and blah, blah, blah. How many can I get and all that. So you can use this send inquiry button and you are going to get response from the supplier within 24 hours. What I mostly use oftentimes is the chat now button because even if I am damn sure about the product, I still want to know more. I still want to connect with the supplier. I hope you understand that. So we are going to use this chat now button. We're here now, and this is the supplier we're chatting with. This is where we are going to be using our supplier script template because, like I said, especially as a first timer, you don't just go into chat your supplier anyhow. Hello, I want this. How much is this? They are going to perceive you as someone who is not serious and ready for business yet. All right, so let's go to our supplier scripts template now and copy what we have there to paste here. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to edit it to paste it to your supplier. Here I have the template, so we're just going to copy this sample script I gave to you. Can, can you see the highlighted message? You see where I started copying from and where I stopped. Okay, so you copy that and we are going to go and edit it to message our supplier. Now, can you see this send icon here? You're going to send this first to send the product image to the supplier so the supplier can know what you are interested in. I hope you get it. Wow, this supplier is active and online. Immediately while recording this video, the supplier has gave a response. Can you say hello? Thank you for your inquiry. So they are located in China's stainless steel hometown. We offer only the competitive price but also keep in pace products. Please send us the link of products you are interested in to discuss further details. Can you see that? So from here, you can actually pick this supplier. I think they are using a bot which makes it so fast to respond. Like from here, you can actually pick what do you want? Do you want to know more questions about the product? MOQ, which is your minimum order quantity, a sample, logistic, price, payment, anything you want to know about. But like I said, you are going to use the script template first because most likely this response is coming from a robot, an autoresponder. Okay, so you're going to edit this now. Hello, I'm interested in your product. We've attached the product image, so you're going to remove this right here. Okay, can you see that? Please send me the product price, okay, just for confirmation because most of this price used to have error sometimes. So you need to just confirm the price from the supplier. I hope you understand. So the product price, the minimum quantity I can order, the MOQ, available colors or specifications. Now, if you are purchasing a product that is not having product color like this spot night, I don't think it came in different colors. So you want to ask for the specifications or the sizes, how many pieces and all that. So you just simply say the product specification. I hope you get that. Now remember we are editing this based on the product you want to buy. Okay. So can you see that? Then we have I want quality goods only. Thank you. This is a well-crafted script to message your supplier for the first time. So when you send this, let's say I send this now. Can you see the message is unread? Okay. The supplier isn't active yet. Like I said, these responses came from an autoresponder, which I think every business owner should have. This is just the simple way to place your order for the product you want to buy. Now, how do you continue to chat with the supplier? The most important thing is your first message, and that is why I shared you this supplier script template. Your supplier is going to give a response of all this, detailing all these things you asked for. From there, you can know what next you need. The response of the supplier determines what next you are going to ask about, depending on what you want to know. I hope you understand that. So, after completing your chat with this supplier, the next thing is they are going to draft a payment plan for you that looks like this. So once you have that already, once they draft it, it's going to appear here. Let's go back here. Can you see? So you come back to your Alibaba here, you're going to see it under unpaid. You're going to tap on the unpaid, then you can see products your suppliers have drafted for you in the chat. It will appear here. Then you tap on make payment. So let's say I want to make payment for this right here. I'm going to tap on the make payment and then use the MasterCard to make payments on this platform. And if you have a PayPal account or any other payment options we have here, you can use it as well. The next thing you want to be talking about is how do we ship the product? How would the product get to you? Now, like I said, we are not using the shipping options on Alibaba. Let's go to the shipping option on this particular product. Can you see the shipping option here? Okay, can you see it says shipping needs suppliers confirmation. So this is what we do. We don't use the shipping option on Alibaba here unless you have the money. Mine is not reflecting because I already have my shipping company address on this um platform. So I will just need to tell my supplier to ship to that address. I hope you understand that. If you have the money, you can use Alibaba shipping option, but it is way expensive. And that is why we have shipping companies we do give to our suppliers that ship the products for us. The supplier is going to simply send the product to the shipping company in China and they bring it down here to Nigeria. It is as easy as that. How do you get shipping companies? How do you even get the products down to your country? You can ship from this website to whichever part of the world, whichever country you're in, the UK, Ghana. Recently, one of my students bought and shipped to Ghana recently successfully. I hope you understand that. What shipping option work best for your product? Okay, you get more details about this and many other things you still need to know to become that boss in importing. So stay tuned for tomorrow's lecture so you don't miss out. This is the exact step where most people give up, they get stuck or confused, and they don't even want to go for that. But I trust my people, know my people. So if you're actually ready to become that smart import boss, someone that bring in goods from China to Nigeria, from China to other countries, someone that supplies the local market in Lagos Island. You might not even start importing to start selling products. There are other hidden secrets to make a whole lot of money with this importation team. Tomorrow's lesson will give you the full breakdown and support from A to Z. We've come to the end of today's lesson. If you enjoyed this session, please head to the comments and type I enjoyed it. I want to hear from you. Now, for today's task, I have a special freebie for you, which I call the mini order checklist to help you work smartly on your importation journey. To claim your free checklist, simply send the exact word order to me on WhatsApp and my autoresponder will send it to you immediately. Can't wait to see your progress, and of course, I will see you tomorrow. Bye.